This incident took place in the early afternoon on August 12th, 2024. Officer Sarah was sent to an apartment parking lot after a complaint was made about a vehicle that was parked incorrectly. Her job was simple: check the license plate, check the VIN number, and complete the parking violation report. When she walked toward the vehicle, the owner, a woman named Regina, came outside. At first, it looked like a normal conversation. Officer Sarah explained that she needed to verify the car information to close the complaint. But Regina did not like the officer being near her vehicle. She immediately became defensive and started asking the same questions again and again. She wanted to know why the officer needed her information and why she was checking the car.
Can you please tell me that? Can you please tell me that, ma'am? You guys, I'm recording her. She doesn't want to tell me why she want to copy my license plate or anything like that. So can I please have your name and why you copy my information? I do have the right to know that.
Officer Sarah tried to stay calm and explained several times that verifying the VIN number was a normal part of the process, but Regina continued to argue. Then she stepped directly between the officer and the car, blocking her view. When the officer asked her to step aside, Regina refused. When the officer asked again, Regina argued even more. This went on for a while, and the situation slowly became more serious. The officer clearly told Regina that she needed to move, but Regina did not listen. At this point, she was no longer just arguing. She was physically blocking an official investigation.
Jimmy!
Get away from me!
I'm by my car!
Get away from me!
I'm by my car! Stop touching me! I am by my car! Stop touching me, ma'am!
Get away from me!
I'm not by you! I'm not touching you!
I need help.
I'm not touching you! I'm not touching
You're being
her!
detained. Let go. You're being detained.
I'm not, you not touching me!
You're being detained. You're not cooperating. You're being detained.
After multiple warnings, Officer Sarah informed Regina that she was being detained for obstruction. But when the officer reached for her arm, Regina pulled away. She twisted her body and refused to put her hands behind her back. The officer tried to control her, but Regina continued to resist. A second officer arrived to help, and even a tow truck worker came over as a witness. Together, they were finally able to place Regina in handcuffs.
Steve.
I'm not touching you! I'm not! Stop touching me, please!
29 times a
Stop
chance.
touching me! Can you not stop touching me? Why are you guys not touching me? Why are you touching me? He's a man! A man's not supposed to touch me! Stop! A man's not supposed to touch me!
Resist
No, you want him touching
Stop
me!
resisting!
He's touching me! Stop! He's touching me!
Stop
I don't want
resisting!
him touching me!
Stop
He's
resisting! Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back! No!
Okay.
On your hands!
Stop on my back.
Stop resisting
I'm
now!
not resisting. I'm not resisting.
You don't touch a law enforcement officer!
She got recorded. You finna go to jail, okay?
Let go of your hand!
She has her all recorded. You finna be so screwed. Thank you so much.
Newsflash, you're being recorded this entire time.
Okay.
Just gonna sit right here. We'll get the AC going, okay?
We're just gonna have you sit in the car right now.
That's good. They just trying to detain me. Hold on.
You are detained. You're in handcuffs.
They trying. You don't gotta be smart, you asshole. But I'm just saying you don't gotta be an asshole.
All right, have a seat, Regina,
I'm
okay?
saying you're not able to talk to anybody.
Just put your feet in. We'll get the air going, okay?
I can't talk to my daughter.
Not right now.
No, that he can talk to me. That's my dad.
you're
My
the-
dad has the right to talk
No, he
to
doesn't.
you.
I will talk to you in a minute, sir. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I didn't do anything wrong. Again, I'm
You're
not
being
detained.
detained.
I'm not
Okay.
detained
You
for
are
no reason.
detained, okay? You're detained until we figure this investigation
How long
out,
is it gonna
okay?
take?
As soon as I'm done talking to you, I can go talk to them, okay?
While the officers were securing her, Regina's father arrived. He looked worried and confused, so the officers explained what had happened. Her father quickly apologized and told them that Regina gets scared easily and panics under pressure. He said she tends to overreact whenever she feels stressed, but the officers had already seen the full behavior on camera.
So the officer gets out here. That's getting figured out. The officer then goes to look at the vehicle information to investigate whatever parking thing that occurred. Your daughter was blocking the officer from getting the vehicle's VIN number or plate. So she was impeding the investigation.
Absolutely.
So during that, the officer asked your daughter to move away from the vehicle so she could do what she needed to do. At that point, your daughter does not go with that. The officer then tells her she's going to get detained and put in handcuffs if she keeps acting the way she is. That doesn't go over well, and then the officer goes to put her in handcuffs, and then your daughter and the officer then get into a physical altercation.
So what is it?
She's being charged with resisting arrest.
All right. So she's going where?
To the jail, Dane County Jail.
Okay. So
She'll see a
resisting-
judge Monday,
Oh, so we can't bail her out today?
not today, because the officer's got claw marks into her arm.
7654.
So I'm
We'll be in
being real
route
straight with you.
3, mileage is-
I don't like this any more than you do, because this is
yeah.
over something ridiculously stupid. I can't have her putting hands on an officer.
Absolutely.
So I get it. I don't like this any more than you do, and I'm a dad too, and I know the last thing I want to see, but I can't have that behavior.
Absolutely. I'll talk to her and let her know that, your actions, no matter whether you were right or wrong, you can't do that. Like,
It's not the time or place to
it's
have an
not,
argument.
It's not. It's not over something like that.
Right.
I
If there's
appreciate
anything
that,
I can do,
You're a good officer, man.
And the situation had already escalated beyond a simple misunderstanding. After Regina was detained, the officers finished checking the VIN, the license plate, and the parking violation details. The tow truck began preparing to remove the vehicle, and Regina was taken toward the patrol car for processing. What could have been solved in just a few seconds had now turned into a full arrest. Regina's actions resulted in several charges. She was charged with obstruction, resisting arrest, interfering with an investigation, and the original parking violation. The entire situation happened because she refused to follow lawful commands and physically blocked the officer from doing her job. A simple parking check turned into a full case, all because Regina refused to cooperate at the very beginning.